We are going to construct the incenter of a triangle. To start, we're going to go ahead and make an arch at one of the ends of the triangle. Next, we will go with each end here of the triangle. I'm going to use my compass and spread it out a little bit further. And we're going to make a line. And then I'm going to go to the other side and we're going to do the same thing. And where they cross, you'll see an X there. Where they cross, I'm going to draw a line through the one end of the triangle and the X. Then I'm going to go to the next corner of the triangle and do another arch. We're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to begin my arch, then I'm going to use the other corner of the triangle where it touches the line of the triangle, make another arch, and to me it looks like an X, and we're going to take our ruler here, we're going to draw a line from the corner of our triangle through to the center of our X. Now where our lines cross, this is going to be part of the incenter of the circle. Now let's do the last one here. Make my arch. Let's make that one again. That one didn't turn out too well. Let's try one more time. There we go. There's my arch. Then I'm going to spread out my compass a little bit further. We're going to try to make our little X again, using one of the ends of the arch and the other. Let's see. And where they cross is where our ruler is going to go through. And for that one, we're going to stop it right there in the center. Here on each side of the triangles, these are congruent on each corners. We're going to go ahead and mark those now. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to find out the center of this triangle here. To do that, I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to put the one end on the line where I stopped and the other end on the side, and I'm going to draw part of a circle. Next, we're going to take our compass, we can shorten it up a little bit, we're going to make another X out here from one end of the circle where it arches and touches the triangle to the other end of the circle where it touches the line of the triangle. So we've got a little bit of an X there, and this X is going to let us see from the center here, from the incenter, we're going to draw a line through there, and using that line, we've got a right triangle now. We're going to use this measurement here from the center of the triangle to the edge of the triangle. See there? From the edge of my triangle. Sorry about my hands being in the way. Now we're going to try to form the circle, which is the incenter of the triangle. I don't know if you can see that, but that is going to be the center, the incenter of our triangle. So if you can fit a circle inside of that triangle, that is your center, the very center of that circle. Now we're going to continue on, and I'm going to show you how to construct the circumcenter for the triangle. And to do that, we're still going to use our compass. And I'm going to start with one end of the triangle, and I'm going to open this pretty wide here, and I'm going to go ahead and just make half a moon. So we're going to find the circumcenter of this side for right now. So I did this corner, so now I'm going to go to the next corner over here. I don't know if I had it opened far enough for that one, so let's see if I can try it again here. You know what, let me just grab a fresh sheet of paper. Let's try this one more time. I'm going to open my compass up a little bit further here. Then I'm going to go to the next end of that triangle. And where they meet at is where we know our line is going to go. So we're going to take our ruler and draw our line right through the center there. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing for the next line. Now I'm going to work on this line here. And then I'm going to move to the next corner. I don't know if I got that far enough over, so let's see here if I can get it to go again. There we go. Then we're going to draw our line through each end. All right, so we know this is the basis of the lines that we need. That's going to tell us that each one of these corners, since this is the center where our two lines meet, it tells us that each of these are the same distance apart, meaning that from the dot in the center to the corner of my triangle here, I'm going to use a pink marker here, that is the same length as this dot here to the corner of this triangle here, okay? And then this dot to the corner of my triangle here. So we've got 3 ends on this triangle. So we've got 1, 2, 3 lines, and they're all the same length. Next, for the circumcenter, you're going to take your compass, you're going to place it in the center, and then place it on the outside of the triangle. And then we are going to make our circle. I think my compass opened up just a little bit, but that is our circumcenter, and that is always going to be placed in the center of our circle.